What's up, people? This is your boy image from Dennis Media Home, aka John Moore. Alright, today videos I'll be creating how to remove a subject from the background. It's been a while. I've been on YouTube. I went for a break for some certain issues, and now I'm fully back and ready to give you guys the best you can ask for. Alright, in today's video, let's take out a subject out of background. Let's jump into Premiere Pro because that's where the whole magic will be taking place. So I have Premiere Pro here, 2019. I advise you guys to download the 2019. I think the 2020 is out already with some cool features in it. I'm yet to download it, but very soon I love updates. I'm gonna download it. So now I have this footage here. That's me. As you can see how I'm looking, I was dancing. It's a footage I shot on a green screen. Okay, it's a green background. And why do we use green screen and blue screen to remove a subject from a background? That's because those two colors are the basic colors that's far away from human skin. Okay, you can't trace it from the human skin, so that when you're keying out a subject from a background, it won't affect the skin colors. Okay, so now let's deal with what we have right now. I'm gonna take out this subject, which is me, out of this green background, and we'll place it in this background. In this footage, this is a footage of the topography of an environment. Okay, so I'm gonna place the subject, which is me, into this background without this green. So let's do the magic. So first thing first, we take the green screen into the timeline. Okay, I guess you guys know how to import footage in timeline. And this is the faster way, just drag and drop. So now we have two layers here. We have the visual layers and the audio layer. Okay, so we drag the visual layer up so that we can create space to drop any background I want to put in the footage. Okay, so now let's jump into the background I want to use. All right, let me pick a part. I think I've already marked in and out of this part before, so let's just drag and drop. You can see I just closed the audio of this footage. I replaced it with the background, so let's just resize it. Okay, the length. So now let's do the magic. Now let's jump into effects. In Premiere Pro, we'll go to effects, search for ultra key. Okay, this is what does the whole magic. This is what removes this green screen. In After Effects it has key lights, but in Premiere Pro you see that ultra key. They both do the same functions. Okay, but in this tutorial we're focusing on Premiere Pro, not After Effects. So now we apply the ultra key to the green screen footage, not the background we want to use, but the green screen footage, which is this one that is displaying here. We'll apply it on it. Next up, you go to your effect controls, you highlight it, then go to your effect controls, where we have so many options here. We have the motion, opacity, time remapping, and ultra key. This is what we just added now, ultra key effect. Okay, so we just click on this drop down. As you can see here, we have so many settings that we can use to adjust the green screen to get a better result. We have the output, can be composite, alpha channel, color channel, settings can be relaxed, default, aggressive, custom, so many, matte generation, so many options. As you can see, choke, contrast, speed, suppression, desaturate, range, color correction, saturation, hue, and so on and so forth. So now to take out this green screen, what we need to do, we have to click on this drop, this eye drop. We'll go to the green screen, whichever parts. It can be here, it can be here, anywhere you want it. Just make sure it's on the green screen, not on the subject. Okay, because if you do it on the subject, the background is going to show inside the subject, not on the green screen. But this will only affect the green screen. Okay, so we drop it here. What are you seeing? As you can see now, here is the subject. See me dancing in that background, as you can see. All right, So now to key it out to be more professional, you have to make it in such a way that if you're playing the video, you can see some traces of green, you can see some noise, that's a result of we've not really altered some changes here. So let's alter the changes and get a better result. So now we'll go to here, the settings, you can make it aggressive and watch the changes over here. Once we click on aggressive, as you can see, it worked out very well. This is far much better than the previous result we got. Okay, but we still have some touchings to be done. Now it's moving around. Okay, so now let's alter those changes so that we get a better result. We'll go to the pedestal. This does a major adjustment to this. We take it to 100. Okay, do you notice the changes? There's a huge dust over here, but it's no longer showing. Okay, no longer showing. So now let's alter the shadow. Okay, as you can see. All right. What do we have now? Do we have any other thing? Let's preview it. Okay, as you can see, so I just successfully remove the subject from a green screen background to an actual image of the background. Okay, so these other options, maybe the highlight, it's going to affect the opacity of the subject. Okay, opacity of the subject, transparency is going to affect the opacity of the subject, as you can see. And highlight, some key highlight, the white and all that. Some other, this stroke, you can use it at the edges. As you can see, the edges of the subject to make it, to move some other hue, maybe green point. There is a spew on the green background. It's spewed on the subject. Okay, so you want to key it out, to remove it, you can use this stroke tool at the edges. It affects only the edges. You can apply it and soften it to make it look more realistic, but don't apply much of it, just little of it. Let's go 7, and this softening should be like 12. Okay, so to make these edges to be softer. Okay, to make the edges to be softer, as you can see. So now that's just that for that. What next? We have this speed suppression, the saturation. You see, once you're on it, you know what and how to apply it to give you the result you're looking for. Okay, so successfully we just key out a subject out of a background. All right, and you can see, let me play the video and see how it looks like. Okay, this is awesome. So if you want to try to make the subject to fit in the background, that's when you start maybe adjusting the scale of the subject, adjusting it and all that. This over here is, you can just use the crop tool, crop effects. Over here you apply it, you scroll down, as you can see here to the right, you just crop it out. It's already out, you get. So that's just it. You adjust the scale to fit into the background and to blend the color temperature of the subject and the background. That's where you have to go to the color, lumetri color, to do some magic concerning the colors and all that. So this is just how you remove a subject out of a background. Please click on my subscribe button below, like my videos, drop your comments. I'll try possible best to reply you guys and come up with some new updates on how to edit videos. Thank you very much. Goodbye.